Ang back view. Back view sa moang area. This is our place to stay for a week. Mo yang likod. I don't know how to do this. Yes. Nice kayo. And the access going to master bedroom. Oops. Could put it the first floor. And money yung living room. Gamay lang living room. Very cute. I like it. It's perfect for apartment. Here, TV. And then dining and kitchen. And this is master bedroom. With master king bed. Narayang likod. King bed and a big tub. Hot and cold tub. Open siya sa room. Yung sink. Yung bathroom. Very nice big tub. We like it. And the closet. Okay, yung safe. Kung na kay mga milyones, na kay mga baril, itago ni mo rin. So, di na mo na need. Kitchen. Dad, I open it. Can you lock it, please? I unlock it. And this is dining. Same furniture. Everything same. There's another bathroom for the second bedroom. A second bedroom with 2 bed. Perfect kayo siya sa family or mga friends. Makatipid yun mo ani. 2 bed and the bathroom there. So ang bathroom lusot yapon siya dito sa sala. Nara, lusot siya. So, dali iyahang door. Din iyahang mo gini ang ganahan na washing and dryer, oy. Kini ang ganahan, no? Washing and dryer. Pero gamay lang ni. Parang ni siya sa small family or para sa ani for hotel. This is a Sheraton exit villa. Unya na siya'y kusina, nagamatoy. Kusina, hello. Oh, ang amawin. So, fully furnished ni siya nga room. So, apil na tanan libre, magamit mo. Dishwasher. Na siya'y kaldero diri. Mga plato. Plato. Pwede ka magluto, pero wala naman tayo magluto. Kaya po yung mukhaon. Gamay lang siya. Dining. O living room. It's cute. So, mauna niya mo ang room for a week. This is our place for a week. Very nice. Oh, yeah.